Welcome to Mommy Academy.
Thanks for watching.
Today, Tanky and I are not in the classroom. We're in the nature classroom, huh?
Yeah.
We're learning about nature. Now, what kind of nature are we in?
The Fraser Park.
The forest.
The forest.
That's right. And you can see that we have mountains too.
Yep.
So beautiful.
I want to show you something. I saw birds flying right over there and over a tree. And wheel. And now it's gone. So.
Oh, wow. Did you see the bird with your binoculars?
No, with just my eyes.
Oh, wow. Now, these are binoculars, and we have to be very careful not to touch the lens on our binoculars to keep them nice and clean and not break them, right?
Nope.
But what can you see with your binoculars?
You can see the forest.
Can you
I saw the tripod.
Yes, can you see far, far away?
Yeah.
I can see far, far away too.
I saw those seals.
Very good. And we have been enjoying this spring day and looking at things that are the color
Green.
That's right. So there's not a lot of green yet, but there's a little tiny bit of green just starting to come up out of the ground. The little seeds got some water and some sun, and boop, they're coming out of the ground, and now we're starting to see some green. Do you like the color green?
Yep.
I do too.
I like all the colors.
All of the colors are so beautiful, and in springtime we start seeing a lot more green. And we're going to talk about some different kinds of green in this book by Laura Vassario Seeger.
Yeah.
Can you help me read this book?
Oh, I'll say green.
Okay, so this is the word green.
Green.
G
Green.
R
R.
E E N.
N.
Let's say the sounds now. G.
G.
R.
R.
E and E say E.
E.
N.
No.
Good. G-R-E-N.
Green.
Very
green,
good.
green,
Very
green,
good.
green.
So the first page shows
Green.
forest green.
Forest green. I'll say green. Green.
Very good. Forest, G-R-E-E-N.
Green.
Good job. Here we have C, G-R-E-E-N.
Green.
Excellent. Sometimes the C is very blue. Sometimes the sea looks a little green. Ooh, these are limes.
Green.
Very good. Lime, G-R-E-E-N.
You can show a little blue on that side.
Yes, there's a little blue on this to show there's a little water on the green limes. Do you like limes?
Yeah. I never tasted them, but.
Oh, I had them in our water a few times. This says P, G-R-E-E-N.
Peas.
P.
Green.
Good. Do you like peas?
Yep.
They are so yummy. Now this one says jungle, G-R-E-E-N.
Jungle.
Jungle.
Green.
Good. And look
What
at that.
is tiger spying for?
That's right. The tiger's spying.
Yep.
Yes. What do you think he's spying?
I think he's spying me.
Ah! Okay. Now this one says khaki, G-R-E-E-N.
Green.
Now if you look really close at this page, there's a lizard in all of that green, and he looks just like the ground. That's his camouflage. Can you say camouflage?
Camouflage. Ah!
Yes, he's blended into the background.
Yep.
Ooh, look at this pretty plant. This is called a fern.
Fern.
And the words say fern, G-R-E-E-N.
Green.
Very good. Beautiful, beautiful fern green. Oh my goodness, this is a silly picture. This says wacky, G-R-E-E-N.
Green.
Wacky green. Are zebras green and white?
No.
What color are zebras?
Green, green.
Black and white.
Black and white.
But this is a wacky, crazy green. Oh, look. What kind of little creature is that?
A worm.
Or maybe a caterpillar.
A caterpillar.
Yes, worms are usually pink, and this says slow, G-R-E-E-N.
Caterpillar.
Oh, G-R.
Green, green,
There you
green,
go.
green.
Slow green, because a little caterpillar, can you get your little caterpillar out? Goes very slow. Yes,
I'm
slow.
curious on caterpillars.
Oh.
I'm just sleeping.
Oh, sleeping caterpillars. This one says faded, Green.
Green.
And when you paint something and it's new, then it's not faded. But as the paint gets old, it looks kind of like that. And then we have faded green.
Yeah, it's still windy out here.
There's a little breeze. It's such a beautiful day. Still have some sunshine. It's just a tiny bit chilly, so we've got our coats on. Oh my goodness, look at this. This says glow, Green.
Green.
Good. Do you know what is glowing in the sky in this picture?
No.
These are fireflies.
Fireflies?
Yes.
Are you trying to catch them?
Yes, we don't have them here in California, but there are fireflies other places.
Hey, look at this. Still have the holes.
Yes, the holes make it look like there are red apples. Isn't that cool?
Yeah.
This is a neat book. You should definitely check it out if you don't have it already. This says shaded, Green.
Green.
Very good. And where does shade come from?
Cloud.
That's right. When the clouds cover the sun, there's shade. Now, what about if you have a tree in front of the sun? There will also be shade, right?
Yeah.
That's right. So anything that keeps the sun from on your head is shade. This says all, Green.
All things green.
Oh, just all green. All green is what the words say.
All green.
Oh, that's right. This says never, Green.
Never. Stop.
Never, Green.
Never. Green.
Good. Because what color is a stop sign?
Red.
That's right.
Stop.
Stop is never green. It's always red.
Yep.
Sometimes they have yellow for slow down, but red is for green. Oh, this says no, Green.
No green.
Very good. We have, what color is the snow?
White.
Very
I
good.
want snow today.
Oh, we've had so much snow. Aren't you ready for spring?
Well, I'm ready for snow.
Oh, we're not ready to say bye-bye to winter yet, huh? Well, we'll be really excited when winter comes back then. Oh my goodness, what's the boy doing?
He's planting.
That's right. Do you see all the beautiful green grass?
Yep.
And his little seed is growing into a plant. Maybe your seed will grow into a plant soon too, huh?
If I keep on watering it.
That's right, and we can't have all that snow if we want plants. It's our season of spring. This says forever, Green.
Green.
Very good, forever green, so beautiful. And that is the end.
I like that story.
Me too. Oh, what's that? What's that? Oh, look over there, look over there.
I can see.
Oh, I thought it was a bear, but it wasn't. I didn't see a bear this time. But are the bears sleeping?
No, you're waking up.
That's right.
I'm scared of bears.
Well, the bears are waking up during the winter time. What do they do?
Sleep.
What's the word? Do you remember what the word is?
Hibernate.
Say it nice and loud so we can hear it.
Hibernate.
That's right. During the winter time, they hibernate. And then when it stops being so cold, they wake up.
Yeah. I'm scared of bears.
And they go out to look for some food and water, and they have a lot of fun. So we're going to read a book called Where, Oh Where is Baby Bear? Now, Tanky, we've been looking out with our binoculars and drawing pictures on what we see. Can you tell everyone what you drew?
I draw bears.
That's right. Tanky drew a bear, and what are these?
Trees, but I didn't make the baby bear have a mouth.
Oh, you still need to draw the baby bear's mouth?
Yeah.
And what did you put in the sky?
The sun.
And?
The twisted sun. It's twisted.
You're doing very well. And what's this?
A dandelion.
A big giant dandelion. Very good.
It's a dandelion balloon.
A dandelion balloon. How fun is that? So this is a great game for you guys to play too. You can, if you want, take some binoculars out, but you don't have to. And you sit out in nature and you look at what you can see and then you draw it.
Yeah.
You like that? Is that a fun game?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay, so let's go ahead and read this book about Where, Oh Where is Baby Bear, like the baby bear in your little picture. Huh? Oh, he's so cute. Now this is by Ashley Wolf. And if you enjoy this book, definitely check it out and get a copy for your family. One by one, bats fly out of the deep, dark den. Where are they going? Asks Baby Bear. Do you think you can help me read the word bear? There is B-E-A-R, right?
I'll say bear.
Okay. Where are they going? Asked Baby B-E-A-R.
Bear.
They are going to look for food, says Mama B-E-A-R.
Bear.
Can we go look for food too? Asks Baby B-E-A-R.
Bear.
Yes, says Mama. Let's go. Ooh, do you think that it's winter or do you think it's spring?
Spring.
Very good, because they're leaving their cave. Mama B-E-A-R
Bear.
sniffs the warm night air, but when she looks around, Baby B-E-A-R
Bear.
is nowhere in sight. Where, oh where is Baby B-E-A-R?
Bear.
Good, calls Mama. And there they are coming out of their den into the beautiful spring world. Oh my. Now, Tanky, you're like a baby bear cub, huh?
Yeah.
You're a little one. And should you run away from the mama? No, that is not safe at all. That's why the mama's worried. Here I am, Mama, says Baby B-E-A-R.
Bear.
Inside the mossy log. Good thing he told Mama or he might get in trouble, huh? Mama B-E-A-R
Bear.
gobbles berries, but when she looks around, Baby B-E-A-R
Bear.
is nowhere in sight. Where, oh where is Baby B-E-A-R?
Oh, bear.
He calls Mama. Did you find him?
Yep, he's right there.
There's a foot in a tree. Maybe that's him, huh?
Yep. It's him.
There we go. Here I am, Mama, says Baby B-E-A-R.
Bear.
Up in the birch tree.
That's silly.
Yes. Mama B-E-A-R
Bear.
catches up wiggling trout, but when she looks around, Baby B-E-A-R
Bear.
is nowhere in sight. Where, oh where is
I found
Baby?
him. I found him.
Good, good. Where, oh where is Baby B-E-A-R?
Bear.
Calls Mama. Here I am, Mama, says Baby B-E-A-R.
Bear.
Behind the waterfall. What a fun hiding place. Mama B-E-A-R
Bear.
laps water. Do you know what laps means?
No.
It's a word for drinking without a cup. When you drink with just like your tongue, like an animal, it's called laps.
Yeah.
But when she looks around, Baby B-E-A-R
Bear.
is nowhere in sight. Where, oh where is Baby B-E-A-R?
Bear.
Calls Mama.
Oh, here he is.
Oh, you found him, peekaboo. Here I am, Mama, says B-E-A-R.
Bear.
Between the cattails. Mama B-E-A-R
Bear.
chews a mouthful of dandelions. Oh, it's a good thing you drew a dandelion on your picture. The bear can eat it, huh?
Well, he can't eat it. It's real. That dandelion is powerful.
Oh, it's a powerful dandelion.
Yeah.
I like your picture more and more. But when she looks around, Baby B-E-A-R
Bear.
is nowhere in sight.
I found him.
Good job. Where,
This
oh where is Baby B-E-A-R?
Bear, right here.
Calls Mama. Oh, you can see his little ears sticking up.
Yeah.
Good. Here I am, Mama, says Baby B-E-A-R.
Bear. He's a sweet baby.
Yes, on top of the boulder. Come along now, Baby B-E-A-R,
Bear.
says Mama. What time of day is it?
Spring.
But what time of day? Is it daytime or what? What do you see in the
Daytime.
sky?
Nighttime.
Nighttime. What do you see in the sky?
Night.
What are these? God, what is this?
The moon.
The stars and the moon are out. It's nighttime. They take a walk through the meadow, around the pond. Oh, they're so cute.
Oh, another baby bear.
Well, this is them taking a walk through the meadow. Now they're around the pond, across the
But there's
river.
another baby bear.
This is all a picture of the same bear walking around the page. Sometimes in pictures, they draw it like that. So here they are here, now they're here, now they're here, across the river, between the birch trees, down the cliff, and into their den. What do you think they're going to do now?
Hibernate.
Hmm.
I'm hibernating.
It's not winter time.
No.
Baby B-E-A-R
Bear.
watches the bats return to their roost. Where, oh where is Mama Bear? He calls. Here I am, baby B-E-A-R,
Bear.
says Mama, right beside.
I'm a little cub.
You're my little cub. And you need to stay with your mommy and daddy when you're out in the forest and when you're in nature and when you're out of the house at all so they can keep you safe. Did you like that story?
Yeah.
So you think that Mama Bear and Baby Bear were just going to take a little nap for the nighttime?
Yeah.
That's right, because it was not winter time.
Yep.
So bears still sleep during the springtime and summer, but
Yeah.
they sleep all winter long when it's very cold.
Yeah.
Oh, what's that? What's that? What's that? Oh, what do you see? What do you see? Oh,
A cave. A cave.
a
Tree
cave?
cave.
Do you think a bear's over there?
No, a tree cave.
A tree cave. Let's go check it out. Okay, guys,
But it's
thanks
far
for
away.
watching.
It's far away.